Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make some great tasting chicken jerky. It's super easy to make. Right here I have 2 chicken breasts, and what I did is already wrap these in some saran wrap, put them in the freezer for about an hour, and what that does is just firms them up, makes slicing easy. So we're going to get started and just trim the fat off first, and then we're going to slice them into long strips about an 1/8 to a 1/4 inch thick. So let's go ahead and get these trimmed and sliced up. Okay, so now that we got all the chicken sliced up into pieces, I'm just going to go ahead and put it into a Ziploc bag and get the marinade started. Just put these to the side for now. So this is a real easy marinade. We just have some soy sauce, Worcestershire, also some chili garlic sauce. It has a great little kick to it. And then of course, some great honey. That honey is going to give it a real nice sweet taste. And the last thing I like using when making any kind of chicken or turkey jerky is to make sure I use curing salt. This is just going to help prevent any bacteria, and it'll also make the jerky last longer once it's finished drying. So curing salt is great to use when making jerky. Alright, we got that mixed up real well. That honey is not thick anymore, it's dispersed with the other liquids. And we're just going to go ahead and pour this over our chicken in the bag. Alright, so we spilled a bunch of the marinade trying to get it in the bag, but hopefully you didn't. Make sure the chicken just marinated evenly, mix it around real well, and then throw it in the fridge for about 12 to 24 hours to marinate. We're going to let this go overnight. Tomorrow we're going to smoke and dehydrate some of this jerky. So we'll see you tomorrow. Alright, so we're going to get the smoker started over here. I have a pellet smoker. You can also use an electric or a stick burner. What we're going to do is just get it up to 200 degrees. So on these pellet smokers, it's real easy. You just set it and it'll heat up and maintain that temperature. But same thing for a stick burner or electric. Just get it to 200 degrees and then we'll get some jerky on there. So we finished putting all the jerky on the dehydrator, got it set, ready to go. We're going to turn it on the highest setting, which for this Nesco is 160, and just get that going. Our smoker's done preheating, it's at 200 degrees, so we're going to take the rest of this jerky and throw it on the smoker. Alright, so we finished making our jerky. It took about 4 hours on the dehydrator, which is something I have right here. 2.5 hours on the smoker. So the smoker's a lot faster than the dehydrator. They both have great flavor. Of course, the smoker has a little more of that smoke flavor to it. Not as much spiciness as this. It is a very mild jerky. But if you do want some smoke flavor on the dehydrator, you can always add hickory liquid smoke. But this turned out really great. I'm going to show you a piece, and really just, you know it's finished when it rips apart like that. And you get those white fibers in the meat. And that's telling you the jerky is done and ready to eat.